Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today, August the 15th, is the release of the new Civivi Fracture. This blade is a one-off slip joint from Civivi that is part of their special fan appreciation event where the fans got to choose the name, and it is available starting today for the low price of $28.50. The thing is, they're expecting this to be a collector's piece and they are not making any more. So you better jump on it if you want one. Chances are, if not, you'll probably have to pay 10 times the price from a scalper on eBay. It is available in a drop point or a tanto. The colors available are blue, black, green, gray, or orange. Has a nice deep carry pocket clip. Beautiful stone wash finish. The blade steel is 8CR14 MOV. The overall length is 7.74. The blade length is 3.35 with a thickness of 0.10. I gotta say, I am absolutely in love with this knife. Slip joint of the year in my opinion. I actually took this orange one and put it through its paces. I did a little bit of feather sticking, some bark stripping, a little bit of whittling, and it just impressed me. It actually is quite reminiscent of the Wyvern, which has almost the same blade shape. It's a little bit thinner in profile, but it actually has this nice little arch right there on the milling on the blade that creates literally the perfect thumb ramp. The weight on this guy is under 3, I do know that. Yeah, 2.990, which you cannot beat. You know, again, there's a lot of moving parts on a slip joint. You know, some of them are quite heavy, even though they're pretty small. But this one managed to keep the weight down pretty good. Again, I'm absolutely in love with this knife. So if you want one, you better jump on it now, or else you're probably not going to get one. Compared to the Backlash, as you can see, it's only about maybe a 1/4 inch smaller. And another favorite of mine, the X-Arch, and 1/4 inch bigger. But great EDC size. Again, it feels excellent in the hand. I have absolutely no complaint about it, and I am happy that I actually have two in front of me right now. I actually plan on buying a tanto to match each one, so hopefully I can get to it in time, or else I'll be missing out as well. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. Like, share, subscribe. Anything you can do to help the channel will be much appreciated. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.